So 2011 F250 have issues with the turn signals. You hit the right turn signal, everything works. The mirror, the front, the rear. Hit the left side, the front flashes fast, the mirror flashes fast, and there is nothing at the back. However, we did take and for the relay, where the trailer tow relay goes, this one, found the leg for that back left light, and apply power, it lights up. So I know my wiring is good from here to the back. I know I'm getting signal from the PCM, not PCM, the body control module, up to the steering column. However, I was thinking, well, it could be on the switch. Still a motorcraft switch. When I got in here, it's broke. I'm not 100% convinced, but this is a problem. That's broke. That screw mount's hole broke. That one's broke. And then you have the plastic pieces that came out with the screws. So, yeah. So if you have any suggestions, I'm chasing this down. I'm thinking it's in this steering column control module. It's not sending the signal all the way to the back. Maybe I'm wrong. The diagrams I got's half-ass. So I'm kind of winging it. Bands that where I called for, the only way you can buy this plastic pieces with the clock spring and all, which is fine. This is one of our mowing trucks, so we need them. So it's got to be fixed one way or the other, because the switch won't stay in there. I mean, it'll go in there, but I mean, it just comes right back out. So, yeah. Anyway, drop me a comment, like and subscribe. See if anybody else has ever had this problem. It's in a 2011 F250. It is I think it's an XLT. I don't know. It's a work truck, you know. It's got regular wipers. They're not rain wipers and all that stuff. It's nothing fancy. So, any suggestions? Drop me a comment. When I find out this problem, I will do a follow-up video on it, just to let everybody know. So it's kind of got my head scratching. Been messing with this most of the morning. So anyway, hope you all have a better day. Peace.